said earlier. So we are going to use a paragraph for it. We are also going to use a short answer for it. So we are using a short answer, so we don't want much details about it. So we are done with the name, and also we are done with the reg number. So the next part we are going to create another new plus button. So the new plus button we are going to implement is, let's say, gender. For example, gender. So gender, so we are going to this option. So this is the option we are going to use. So gender, we are going to say, let's just edit this gender. Let's say male, for example, male. Then we add another option button there for the female. So I'm going to click on enter. So this is the option, so for the female. So because I already created the form, that's why you see it's creating itself manually, but I'm going to show you step by step on how you can also create your own. So this is it. So I'm going to import the female. So that's for the female. So we are done with this. So we are going to create on this plus button to add another question. So the next question, let's say class, for example, class. Then we go on the option button. So once you go to the option button, let's say, for example, nd1. So another option, let's say nd2. Then next option, let's say hnd1. Then next option to be hnd2. So this is how to create this type of forms. So let's go. We are going to create a checkbox now for the next question. So as you can see, we are done with the name, the reg number, and also the gender, then also the class, and also we are done with the class. So what you are going to do here is to create a checkbox. Let's say for example, the checkbox you are going to create is courses offered. Let's say courses offered. So this is it. So we are going to implement the courses here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to use just the course code. Let's say let's just use a course code 111. Then enter 124. Enter again. Let's say 132. So this is just for an example. So you implement the real course code if you want to implement, or you can write the course name there because we are using a checkbox. Let's say this is a checkbox, and also this is a checkbox. So one thing about this checkbox, you can just prescribe the courses in just a single line. For example, now let me delete this. So I'm going to delete this. So once I deleted this, so like for example now, so let me see, I just want to specify the courses that is being offered in that semester. So let me see, courses offered in that semester is just 10. Let me see, 10 courses. Then I enter, I say 12. So whenever a student come and saw this type of question, courses offered, so once it come, it will just click on this first course if that's the amount of courses he's attending on that semester. If it is 21 courses, he's also going to click that. So let me add the last question. So the last question is this. So here is the last question. Let me see, have you ever designed a program have you ever designed a program before? So that's it. Have you ever designed a program before? So I'm going to use a question mark. So that's it. So here is the question mark, and let me say yes. Let me say the option 1 would be yes, option 2 would be no. So as you can see, the no has already imported itself. So sometimes it imports itself automatically, while sometimes you have to import it manually. So this is how to create just this form in just few minutes. So this